If you're a deer stalker, whether you stalk on your own, with a couple of mates, as part of a group, maybe part of a syndicate, or even as a professional deer manager on an estate, then we've developed an app that I think is going to be really useful for you. It's called STALK-IT. Let me show you a few things that it can do. At its heart, the STALK-IT app is a live sharing map designed specifically for deer stalkers. You can set your ground, start a stalk, invite your colleagues, and then during your stalk, everybody can see where everybody is, what they're doing, on the ground, in real time. During the stalk, you can add live location markers. So that may be where you left your truck, it may be a gate, it may be somewhere that you want to rendezvous later in the day. You can also share deer sightings, showing both the time, the species, and what direction those deer were traveling. And there's also a live chat feature within the app, meaning you can talk to one or all of your colleagues actually in real time. Another great feature is the shot site marker. So you take a shot and you mark it on the app. The app then stores both where you were stood when you took the shot, but also a good estimation of where the deer was when you shot it. Using the app's inbuilt compass, then you can then navigate direct to that point, making recovery considerably easier. As well as being a strategic tool, STALK-IT is also designed around safety. The inbuilt SOS button immediately notifies all other stalkers of your location, and they can then use the inbuilt navigation to go directly to you. It also provides what-free words, GPS location, and coordinates, so should emergency services be needed, they can be called. But STALK-IT isn't just a live tracking app. Everything you see, all your sightings, any pins that you mark, any shots that you take, anything else that you want to record, the amount of effort that you've put in, the amount of hours you've been on the ground, that's all recorded too. And with a simple click of a button when you're back, you can generate a one-page report. So you can show that to landowners, estate managers, forestry commission, whoever it is you need to share that information with. So who is STALK-IT for? Whether you're a hobby stalker, a recreational stalker, whether you're part of a syndicate, or you may well be a professional deer manager on an estate, STALK-IT can work for you. You can use as much or as little as you like. STALK-IT is available on both iPhone and Android phones, and right now we're offering a 3-month free trial so you can try it out for yourself. That means you can head over to the Google Play Store or the App Store, download it, and use the code STALKITVIP, and you'll get 3 full months to try it out, see what you like, see what you don't like. We want to hear about that as well, and let us know what you think. Over the course of the next few weeks, I shall be putting up some more videos going into far more detail about some of the individual features and also showing you some real-time use. In the meantime, head to the website www.stalk-it.com, head to the downloads page, and there's links there where you can download the app for your iPhone or for your Android phone. Built by deer stalkers for deer stalkers. Thanks for watching.